Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great, fantastic Friday. This week we decided to switch it up a little bit. Instead of Todd doing the normal series that he's been doing, we would take a minute and show you a project that we currently have here. So check out this video, leave us some comments, and let us know what you think. Our customer shipped us this fan to be inspected for problems and repair. This is a 7-foot fan that's used in a coal mining application. When we first received this fan, we took it apart and started to inspect it. We washed off all the components, and after that we could see that there was a lot of damage to this fan. So what we'll do is we'll take off all the blades and separate the hub, and as you can see, this shaft was broken pretty bad. We'll manufacture and install a new shaft, new seals, bearings, and housings. And then we'll also do a new calibration on the blades. After this fan is back in working condition, we'll also give this fan a new paint job. Once that happens, I'll go ahead and post an updated picture in the comment section for you guys to see the changes. And we hope you guys have a great weekend. Thanks for watching.